Life is busy. We often feel overwhelmed. Stress becomes a constant companion, but there is a better way. Mindfulness offers a path to peace. Mindfulness is about being present. It is about awareness of our breath, our body, and our thoughts. When we are mindful, we are less reactive. We can find calm amidst the storm. Stress management is essential for well-being. Chronic stress harms our physical and mental health. Mindfulness helps us manage stress naturally. By cultivating mindfulness, we can transform our lives. We can find peace, joy, and greater resilience. Nature provides powerful remedies for stress. These remedies are gentle and effective. They are available to everyone. Meditation is a key practice for mindfulness. Even a few minutes of meditation can make a difference. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, focus on your breath. Breathing exercises are incredibly beneficial. Deep, slow breaths calm the nervous system. Try box breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. Herbal teas offer a soothing and aromatic experience. Chamomile tea promotes relaxation. Lavender tea eases anxiety. Sip slowly and savor the taste. Integrating these remedies into daily life is easy. Small steps can make a big difference. Start with a few minutes each day. Incorporate meditation into your morning routine. Before checking your phone, sit quietly and focus on your breath. Even 5 minutes can set a calm tone for the day. Practice breathing exercises throughout the day. Notice moments of stress or tension. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Enjoy a cup of herbal tea in the evening. Create a calming ritual around tea time. Turn off screens and relax with your warm beverage. The benefits of these practices are profound. Mindfulness and stress reduction improve overall well-being. Regular meditation can reduce anxiety and improve sleep. People who meditate regularly report feeling calmer and more focused. Deep breathing techniques can lower blood pressure and reduce muscle tension. Athletes use these techniques to enhance performance and manage stress. Herbal teas offer a sense of calm and relaxation. Many people find that a cup of chamomile tea before bed improves sleep quality. By embracing these natural remedies, we can cultivate a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Take small steps each day and experience the transformative power of mindfulness.